Hello, Bacha Party. How are you, children? Already you have got term-wise syllabus for all the classes. So you do good preparation to obtain good marks. Okay? So today I want to start that cell chapter. It is very important. As you know, cell is a fundamental basis of life. First of all, formation of organism started from cell. Cell combined, it forms tissue. Tissue combined form organs. When organ combined form organ system, at last development of organism take place there. Okay? As you know, regarding plant tissue as well as the animal tissue, it means these tissues are made by the cell. That is known as a plant cell and animal cell. But in a starting, Robert Hooke has seen structure of cell in a bark of plant that was just like a honeycomb. He made one microscope of single lens, that is known as a single microscope. He has seen that structure, and afterward Antony von Leeuwenhoek made two lens microscope, that is a compound microscope. By that microscope, seen the structure of the cell, in that there are so many rooms are present, so many compartments are present, and each compartment is known as the cell. Study of the cell is known as cytology. There are two types of cell. Number one, that is known as a plant cell, and second one is known as a animal cell. These diagrams are here, you can see. One for plant cell and there are three main organs of any cell. Number one, that is known as nucleus. There are three main important things. First one is known as nucleus. And nucleus word is given by Robert Brown, scientist. Okay, clear? So children, on the basis of the nucleus, there are two types of cell, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Pro it means primitive, karyo it means nucleus. Nucleus scientific name is karyon. It means in a pre-starting cell, nucleus was not in a well-developed form. No organs were there like mitochondria, Golgi body. All were there not present in a prokaryote cell. Example is here, there is a cyanobacteria and blue-green algae. Okay? So it is an important characteristics of the prokaryotes. Second one, after some time, central part of the cell that is known as a nucleus. Nucleus is also made by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Between both the membrane, gap is present, okay, and in front of that gap is there, that is known as nuclear gap. By the nuclear gap, during the cell division, chromatin fiber, they will come outside to make chromosome. Okay, so there are three things are present inside the nucleus. Boundary membrane is here, that is known as a nuclear membrane. In front of nuclear membrane, gap is there, that is known as a nuclear gap. From that, during the cell division, chromatin fiber will come outside and help in the formation of the chromosome. Liquid is present, jelly-like liquid is present inside the nucleus, that is known as a nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm, very thin fiber-like structures are present, that is known as a chromatin fiber. They form a network, they will remain in a cluster. Okay, so these fibers are known as chromatin fiber, and afterward during the cell division, they change in a chromatids and at last convert in a chromosome, and that help in a formation of the new cell. Okay, clear? So this is a part of the nucleus. Second part, that is a cytoplasm. Outside the nucleus and nucleoplasm is present, but outside the nucleus, cytoplasm is present. In a cytoplasm, all the cell organs are present. Cell organ, it means mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, centrosome, libosome, peroxisome, ribosome. All these things are present inside this cytoplasmic material. They will remain active form due to their liquid. Okay, so this is the second part. First we have completed nucleus. Second we have completed, that is a cytoplasm, and both membrane we have completed, that is the cell membrane and cell wall. The most important thing which is present in a plant cell but not present in an animal cell, that is a plastid. Here we see that this is a plastid structure, and there are three types of plastid. One is a leucoplast, that is a colorless plastid. No color is there, like in potato. Some pulses are there, they are not having a special type of any color, that is a colorless. Second number, that is a chromoplast, they form a red color, brown color, orange color. Okay, you know that in a starting tomato and leaf, they are present in a green color due to presence of the chloroplast. They are green, and after some time some changes comes, and that change in a orange color due to the changing of the plastid. That chloroplast convert in a chromoplast. Okay children? So there are three types of plastid: leucoplast, that is a colorless; chromoplast, that is a colorful; and chloroplast, that is a green color, that help in a photosynthesis method. Okay, clear? So it is a very important part of the plastid, that is a chloroplast. You see that structure. This is the structure of chloroplast. It is also made by the double membrane. You see that outer membrane, that is a very smooth. Inner membrane come inside and change in a bag-like structure. This bag-like structure is known as thallocoid. Bag-like structure is known as a thallocoid, and thallocoids are arranged one upon other and they form a group. That group is known as a grana. Okay? This group is known as grana. Okay children? And inside the thallocoid, a special type of particles are present. These particles are present, that is known as quantosome. Quanta is a physics word. It means energy particles. These thallocoid particles, which consist quantosomes, they have the responsibility to absorb the solar energy during the photosynthesis. It means we can say that in a grana or in a thallocoid photosynthesis reaction, especially light reaction take place there. In a photosynthesis, there are two phases. Number one, that is known as a light reaction, and number two, that is known as a dark reaction. Light reaction and dark reaction take place during the photosynthesis. It is not necessary whenever sunlight is there that the light reaction is there, and plant require red light for the photosynthesis. Okay? Suppose proper sunlight is not coming, then dark reaction will take place there. It doesn't mean that dark reaction take place in a night. No beta. It will take place during day. If the sunlight in a proper amount is not absorbed by the thallocoid or by the leaf, okay, and then in that case dark reaction will take place there. During the light reaction, plant form a glucose, and during dark reaction, all the glucose molecules combine each other by the chemistry rule, by the polymerization method, and they convert in a starch. Now children, next organ is there, that is a mitochondria. And mitochondria is discovered by Benda scientist. It is also made by the double membrane. Okay? Outer membrane inner membrane that comes inside that form a finger-like structure that is known as a cristae. Okay? On cristae, special type of particles are there that is known as oxysomes. Okay? In that liquid is also present. That liquid is known as matrix. Okay? So in a one shot we have to complete this chapter. You have listened that mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell that store energy during respiration in the form of ATP. Complete name of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It is a currency of energy for the cell. Okay. So next organ, in a short I am giving knowledge to you. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are known as a suicidal bag. Whenever any foreign particles will come inside and lysosome will attack on them, otherwise it will take that foreign body and lysosome will suicide. Okay? One phrase is there, हिंदी में एक phrase है, ना रहेगा बांस और ना रहेगी बांसुरी. तो ना तुम रहोगे ना हम रहेंगे, चलिए सुसाइड कर लेते हैं. Okay, so lysosome is known as a suicidal bag. Okay, children. Next organ, centrosome is there. It is found near nucleus. Okay, it consists two particle inside that is known as a centriole, and centrosome is specially found in an animal cell and that help in a cell division. It is an important point. Centrosome only found in an animal cell, not in a plant cell. Okay, children? Yes, and its position is near nucleus and its help in a cell division. Okay, most important organ that is